In this video I am going to show you some very safe stocks and industries you can invest in. The market has been volatile the past year, so some have avoided investing due to fear of losing money, especially if you do not have a job. So I am going to show you 5 safer industries to invest in, without having to worry too much about losing money. Keep in mind, this is in no particular order. Industry number 1. Technology. People will always be using their devices and replace or upgrade them, since there are new improvements made every year. For this reason, technology companies will steadily grow. However, if some companies are lacking and appear to be grasping for any straws, just avoid investing in that company. A good example of a technology stock is AMD. AMD produce computer components that their loyal customers will use to upgrade their computers every now and then. AMD is very cost-effective and sell their components for a more affordable price with competitive performance. However, ensure that you are reading up on what people and technology reviewers say about a product when a technology company releases something new. Industry number 2. Textile. There will always be people looking to update their wardrobe. Children will grow and therefore need new clothes. Adults either follow the trend or discard their old clothes when it has worn out. One thing we can all agree on is that the textile sector will continue to produce, so that is why it is a safe investment. A great example is Lululemon Athletica. They produce a variety of clothing such as athletic wear and yoga accessories. Industry number 3. Game companies. There will always be new games made. Video games are great for anyone who wants to pass time or seek entertainment. Game companies with well-known games such as Blizzard with Overwatch will always attract new players that buy games and buy additional content in the game, which boosts the company's revenue. A good example of a game company is Tencent. Tencent is a Chinese company that produce many games, and they have stake in other gaming companies such as Epic Games and Riot. Industry number 4. E-commerce. Many people use websites such as Amazon to buy anything. Sites such as these usually save you money, since you have a variety of a specific product, and the reviews can tell you if the product is good or not. This is why e-commerce is a safe sector for investing. Moreover, e-commerce is much better than you searching through different stores and comparing where to buy a specific product, and most important of all, you can order it from the comfort of your home. A great example is of course Amazon. Also, a great thing about Amazon is that it offers a great platform for companies to list their own product, which is a win-win situation. Industry number 5. Fast-moving consumer goods. This industry includes companies that produce daily use product. This is usually hygiene products such as soap, shampoo, dental hygienic products, and etc. A good example is L'Oreal that produces a variety of personal care products. So, since people focus on hygiene and taking care of themselves, this is a very safe sector for investing.